essence of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. Now, if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So on this video, we are going to discuss the weekly declutter challenge for week 29. It is the condiments takeaways. So these are those little ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, all those little packets that we have. When we get takeaway food, we always get more packets than we need, and we try to hoard them as if we're going to need them for the zombie apocalypse. But anyway, what we're going to do this week is properly declutter them. These takeaway condiments tend to multiply. We have them in our junk drawer, our kitchen drawers. Sometimes they're in the refrigerator, and then they even find their way in our cars. And unfortunately, they can become sticky and icky and dirty and can attract pests and smells and odor, and we just do not need these things anymore. So what we're going to do is actually gather them all, like go through and get all of those, because I'm sure you have them in more than one location. So go ahead, get them all, put them together, and we need to do a physical inventory of these things. Look at the packets and see if there's any residue on them, see if they're sticky, see if they're even expired, because yes, these things can expire. So you want to make sure that they're not expired, that they're not sticky, there's no holes in them, and go ahead and toss those. You have my permission to throw those in the trash. I don't care if it's the Chick-fil-A sauce, the Polynesian sauce, or the soy sauce. Get rid of it today. And also, if it's something that you haven't used in months or something that you probably don't even use, get rid of it. If you haven't used it, if you don't use that type of sauce, probably 9 times out of 10, when you do decide to use it, it's going to be expired. So at that point, just go out and buy like a very small container of it. And that way you know it's sealed, you know when you're going to use it, and you don't have to worry about it. So go ahead and get rid of those. We want to be intentional with everything we have in our home. So this is what we're going to do now. I have a small container that I keep in my refrigerator, and I will show you what it looked like, but it allows you to have a few things, not overwhelming, but a few things. And what you can do is put the items that you want in this container, put it on your door, put it on, the refrigerator door or on the bottom shelf or whatever. And that way you know you do have those emergencies, or as I like to say, in case something breaks or break in case of an emergency. So you will have those things. So this little container is great. It has a lid and then also has a little separated sections. But for this, you can have all of those things there. And you can even, put a date on some, take like a sticky and put an 8 if it's August. If it's something that you want to just make sure that you use in an appropriate amount of time, you can definitely do that. So I hope you are enjoying this series. I hope you're taking each week as it goes. Now, if you are not involved with the Weekly Declutter Challenge and you want to join, all you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to live in a decluttered home and have a decluttered life. And I will leave a link to the blog post that really breaks it down in detail. And then also you can download the actual Weekly Declutter Challenge. You can download this and have this as a screensaver on your phone, or just as a picture. You can go through it periodically to see what the week is and what you're supposed to do. Also, you are welcome to join my private Facebook community. In the private Facebook community, you can actually interact with other members, ask questions, leave pictures. You can do all of that in the private Facebook community. So you are welcome to join. And if you are not following this channel or subscribed, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell for notifications. In addition to the Weekly Declutter Challenge, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life at Home. During the course of 5 days, you will receive an email with tips and suggestions on how to maintain a company-ready home. And you can also get information about my planner, the Divine Life at Home Planner. It comes in a dated and an undated version. Both planners are on Amazon, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below. So please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and have a divine day. Goodbye.